Projection microstereolithography, or puzzle for short, builds parts layer by layer by curing a liquid photopolymer resin with ultraviolet light. It cures an area of resin with a single flash rather than using a point of laser light as in SLA. Puzzle achieves very fine details, thin walls, sharp edges, and exceptionally smooth surfaces. Our BMF machine has a build envelope of 100 by 100 by 75 mm, so it's ideal where sizes are small and accuracy is critical. Typical applications include components for medical and drug delivery devices, life science, biotechnology, and for optical and electronic technology developers. The material used to make this part is RG resin, a durable engineering material which doesn't absorb moisture and is biocompatible. It's ideal for a wide range of applications, including electrical cases and functional prototyping. To find out more, visit our website at prototypeprojects.com.